Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanted to show you how I built up the layers of watercolor to create the popping strawberry that's on the paper. I began with a drawing which outlined the edges of strawberry. Now for the seeds, I'm drawing lines keeping in mind that the lines are far away from each other on the convex curve and close to each other on the concave curve. Then drawing the seeds, each facing to the stem at every intersection point of the lines that I drew earlier. For the leaves, I went about randomly drawing them, each leaf with a different curve. I started painting the seeds first, yellow color to upper seeds and green to the lower part seeds. In the mid part of the strawberry, I randomly painted the seeds of having orange, brown and deep green color. Also in the mid part of the strawberry, if you paint brown color over all seeds, then paint randomly over the seeds by deep green, orange, leaving a little brown part aside, then it shows an illusion of seeds being placed below the actual surface of strawberry. Now to give a light wash, I am painting light red color as first layer all over the strawberry except the upper part and the white shine part. Now as the second layer, I am painting a shade mixing a little orange color with red. Then I am painting a little darker shade of red in middle part, which is the concave one. I extend this darker shade over the upper convex part on both sides to show up the illusion of spear shape. The same concept I am using for the lower convex part. For the leaves, I am using yellow and green for either part and little yellow spots over the green area. For the leaf stem, I paint yellow color and a little of brown color for the tip and the edges of leaves. Now I paint seeds which were over painted by me by giving the light red. Further, for the shadow, I used peach black color to paint and also created a transition between strawberry and black shade by using a more darker shade of red. And there it is. Strawberry is pretty much complete. I hope you enjoyed watching and hopefully have gained some tips about painting in watercolor. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Comment below if you have any suggestions or doubts, or if I have missed out on something. So if you like what I am doing, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Kads Art. Bye.